Hi, Joey. Dr. Borlotti here. I'm sorry it took me so long to get this back to you, but I think this will be very helpful, what I'm going to show you in this audio lecture here. First of all, I want you to notice that I have saved this entire file as your persuasive essay, even though I'm just looking at your outline. And I'll tell you what I did. I went into my lessons folder and I got the sample essay that lives there in the left-hand column, and I just pasted your outline over my outline. The rest of this file has my sample essay that I would like for you to use as a template for your work. And we'll be going over this in class on Monday. Okay, but you'll see that this is just my example, and followed by my example works cited page. Eventually, your sources will be going on this page. Okay. Also notice I inserted the page headers for you. Okay, so that being said, let's go back up to the outline, which is the whole point of this little feedback session I'm giving you. First of all, I want you to notice I put everything in single space, which is my classroom standard, except, of course, the student heading. Also, this is your yes or no question. So your thesis is very, very easy. Just make this your side of that yes or no question. Video games do not cause violence, period. All this other stuff here was a little bit superfluous. It's a little unnecessary. For the outline, this is perfectly good wording for your introduction, which is where it probably should go. But for the outline, keep your thesis statement nice, sweet, short, and to the point. Also notice I included the words introduction and conclusion on the outline because they are just placeholders. No actual paragraphs will appear on the outline, just these two words as placeholders. Because remember, the outline is telling me how many paragraphs you plan to have and what those paragraphs are. Introduction, a subtopic paragraph on evidence, one on scapegoating, one on positive influences, and one on conclusion. Also notice that I reformatted your outline. The sample outline I gave you guys in the left-hand column of my lessons folder, I formatted the outline the way I want it formatted with the Roman numerals aligned left and the A, B's, and C's capitalized. So I redid all that for you, so there's nothing else you need to do there. The other thing I did was bring back the colors because I want this to be color-coded. Yes, I know this sounds a little juvenile, maybe even a little bit grade school, but believe me, it will help for you to see the actual structure of the paragraphs if you keep these things in these colors. Later on, when it comes time for you to hand in the final draft, obviously all these colors will go back to black. Okay, so just check this out, and I hope this makes sense. If not, I'll talk to you when I see you in class. Okay, good work, and I'll talk to you on Monday.